In last video, I show you how to create dependent drop-down in Excel and in Google Sheet. Today, I'm going to share a scenario where we need to hide mismatch second level and third level entry. For example, I select Asia and I select country based on Asia and I select city based on selected country. For example, if we change China to let's say any other country, this will still displaying me the wrong country and I want to hide those selected city. Of course, if I click city, it will only show the city related to India, but for now I want to hide those entry. If I switch to solution sheet, for example, in this case I select Asia, China, Shanghai, but for any reason I change China to let's say India, it will hide the city because they are going to mismatch with this selected country. In the second scenario, if I change Europe to let's say Africa, it will hide country as well as city, means second level and third level dependent drop down because they are going to mismatch. So how we will develop this logic using simple conditional formatting, I'm going to teach you each and everything in this video. Consider we have this sheet on which I did not apply any conditional formatting. So first I'm going to apply conditional formatting on city. Whenever the country are going to mismatch, it will hide selected city. If I type Xmatch, so in this case my lookup value is G2. If I select G2, it will display the reference in table format. But for simplicity, I am just going to remove the table format reference and simply type G2 8% and I will select H2. It will automatically show table for @city. But for the simplicity, I will simply type H2. Now I'm going to hit comma. I'm going to simply select B2, drag my mouse down, add 2 more zeros, so from B2 to B1000. If you have longer range, you can simply adjust your range. Hit F4 key to lock the reference, click on B2, hit F4 key and %, and I will do the same for C2, so just add 2 more zero, hit F4 key to lock the reference. You can manually add the $sign as well, comma, and for the match type, I will use 0 exact match. So simply write 0, close the bracket, hit enter. This will return 11. Mean these two combinations are found in this table anywhere. For example, if I change China to let's say India, this will return me an error. Now what I need to do, I will simply edit the function again, write is number function. Open the bracket, close the bracket, hit enter. This will return me false whenever they are going to mismatch and return true when they are going to match. Now for the conditional formatting, I will simply write not here just to convert false to true and true to false. So not function, open the bracket, close the bracket, hit enter, and this will return true whenever there is a mismatch and false whenever there is a match. So I'm just going to select this whole function. Tell the row you want to apply conditional formatting. Of course, we can adjust the range later as well. Go to conditional formatting, new rule, use formula, Control V to paste the function, go to format. Instead of applying font, border, fill, I'm going to select number, custom, remove the journal, type 3 semicolon, hit OK, and this will hide any mismatch value. Now for example, if I select China again, this will automatically display the city because they are going to match. For example, if I change USA to let's say Canada, it will hide the city because they are going to mismatch. Now we need to apply conditional formatting whenever there is a mismatch between continent and country. We want to hide country and city both in this case. So if I write the same Xmatch function, in this case my lookup value is F2 and %G2. For the lookup array, I will simply select A2, drag my mouse down. Instead of 10, I will simply write 2 more 0, hit F4 key to lock the reference, and again, select B2, drag the mouse down, add 2 more 0, hit F4 key to lock the reference. For the match mode, I will simply write 0, close the bracket. Here is a little bit tricky part. Since we want to apply this conditional formatting on column G and H, so we need to log the column reference. So simply I will write $sign before F and $sign before G to log the column reference. I will write isNumber function again. I think you understand why I'm writing isNumber function here. Close the bracket for isNumber function. And now we need to write the not function as well to convert true to false and false to true, because the conditional formatting only works whenever formula return a true result. Hit enter, copy this whole formula. Select all of the dataset on which you want to apply conditional formatting. Of course, we can edit this range later. Conditional formatting, new rule, use formula to determine, Control V to paste this function, go to format, number, custom, remove the journal, type semicolon 3 times, hit OK, and now you can see we select Africa and this will hide the country because they are going to mismatch. If we select any other country, they will show, and if we select city, they will show. But if we change Africa to, let's say, Asia, again this will hide those two entry. Now the last thing, if you click on conditional formatting manage rule, you can update the range. For example, I want to apply conditional formatting on 1000 rows, so just write 1000, remove 24, write 1000. Keep in mind this rule must be on the top of the first conditional formatting rule. Any reason this conditional formatting is down, you can simply use this button to move up and down the conditional formatting rule. Simply apply, hit OK, and this will apply conditional formatting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you so much.